Replacing a dryer cord is as easy as 1, 2, 3, and it only takes about an hour. Just follow these simple steps and you'll be drying clothes in no time. Here's what you'll need. First, make sure you have the proper replacement cord. You'll most likely need a 3-prong cord for homes built before the year 2000 and a 4-prong cord for homes built after 2000. Be sure to check the electrical plug in your home to confirm. To begin, turn the dryer to the off position and unplug the cord from the outlet. Carefully turn the dryer so you have easy access to the back. Locate where the electrical cord enters the dryer. This is the access panel. Use a screwdriver to remove the access panel screw. Keep screws in a safe place. You'll need them to complete the installation. Now, it's time to remove the old cord. Remove the 3 connection screws that hold the colored wires to the terminal block. For a 4-prong cord, you'll also want to remove the green screw that connects the ground wire. Then, pull the old cord through the access hole and bracket. Next, we'll attach the new cord. Feed the new cord through the access hole and bracket. Attach the white wire to the center neutral terminal. Next, attach the 2 outer wires to their respective terminals, red and black. If installing a 4-prong cord, you'll also want to connect the green wire and neutral white wire together with the green grounding screw. To finish, firmly tighten the terminal screws that connect each new wire and replace the access panel. Now it's time to test your work. Check that the dryer is in the off position, and then plug the new dryer cord into the outlet. Turn the dryer to the on position and make sure it's operating properly. If everything is okay, move the dryer back into place. Finally, use a level and turn the legs until the dryer is level. That's it. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.